is this the video that I get my eyes pecked out by crows? Better put some eye protection on. So apparently crows are nesting in this chimney. We've got 2 open pots. It's our job to clear out the nests and put some kind of anti-crow guard into these pots. Let's go and have a look. Well, that doesn't look too bad. I was expecting to see a lot more of a nest in this one. I don't know, can you see in there? Can you see the nest that they've built? Not the easiest of access, but they've blocked it up way too deep for me to get it out, but we can stop them from getting any more in there. I've got these nice wire bird guards. Look at that, that sits in there lovely, that does. No birds are going to be able to get in there. Nope, that's all clear. There. Fortunately, I didn't come to survey this first, otherwise I'd have recommended a new flaunch as well. At the same time, it would have made sense. We'll photograph that, and that's the job for another day. But crows aren't getting in there anymore. I think that looks quite nice. Happy with that. I'm sure the customer will be happy too. Let's go to the next job.